Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine. So today we are going to do the next essay number 15, a visit to a hill station. So as from the title you may see that it's a visit, so it may be the wrap up of a journey that one has visited and he or she is writing his or her experiences to you. So this essay is mostly based on the facts and figures or on the imageries, you may say, that what one have noticed. Your opinion can be little different or can vary from person to person. Might be the writer, if the writer is liking something, you might not like it, or the other way around. So let's get to the style of it. My love for adventure comes naturally to me. एडवेंचर के लिए जो मेरा प्यार है वो मेरे अंदर से आता है. The degree of love varies from person to person. The same thing that I told you, that how a person loves to the nature, it varies from person to person. My adventuresome spirit prompted me, pushed me, and a friend of mine suggested to visit Naran. मेरे इस शौक़ ने मुझे पुश किया और मेरे एक दोस्त ने भी मुझे सजेस्ट किया कि हम नारान जाएं. इन कागान वैली, जो कि कागान वैली में है. 1 July morning we left for Abbottabad by bus and reached there in afternoon. The journey was tiring and we slept soundly for a night. We slept. Next morning we left for Balakot. हम बालाकोट के लिए निकल गए. On the way we passed by Jungle Mangal and Jabba. Now it is the name of the place where they passed through. Over 20 kilometers from Mansehra, जो कि मानसेहरा से 20 किलोमीटर आगे है. Around Jabba there was a thick forest and the beauty of the landscape was simply breathtaking. Thick forest means बहुत घने जंगलात थे. There were very sharp hairpin turns on the road near Batrasi. Sharp तीखे या बहुत जल्दी मुड़ जाने वाले. Hairpin turns, the shape as the edge of the hairpin, that much sharp, on the road near Batrasi. We saw the conjunction point where the river Kunhar meets. Conjunction points, जहाँ पे 2 points मिलते हैं. 2 other streams near गढ़ी हबीबुल्ला. तो एक ऐसा पॉइंट था जहाँ पे 2 streams, 2 नदियाँ आपस में मिल रही थीं. The hill around looked beautiful and clouds clung around their tops. यानी हिल्स इतनी ऊंची थीं कि बादल और जो पीक का जो एंड पॉइंट है, they were meeting with each other, or it looked like that they both are attached with each other. There was a rope bridge over the Kunhar near Shohan. तो कुन्हार के ऊपर शोहान के नज़दीक एक रस्सियों का बना हुआ पुल था. It was a strange experience to hear the noise of the rushing river. चलते हुए दरिया का शोर सुनना एक बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था. The noise was all around. Noise यानी शोर हर जगह पे था. Everywhere, inside shops, house, masajid and out on the roads, open spaces and slopes, the noise dominated. यानी noise dominated, हर जगह शोर सुनाई दे रहा था. At night when I woke up, I could hear this noise in the hotel room also. यानी वो शोर इतना ज़्यादा और इतना prominent था कि वो होटल रूम में भी सुनाई दे रहा था. At night when I woke up, I could hear this noise in the hotel room also. In the evening we visited Shah Ismail Shaheed's grave in the outskirts of Balakot. यानी शाम में उन्होंने शाह इस्माइल शहीद ग्रेव को विज़िट किया, जो कि बालाकोट की ऊपरली साइड पर है. बालाकोट was devastated by the severe earthquake on October 8, 2005. 2005 का जो ज़िलज़िला आया था उसमें मुकम्मल तबाह हो गया था बालाकोट. The site plan will give a new look to the Balakot. Now it might be possible that this essay is written near to the years of 2005 or 6 maybe, because now after sort of 15 years the work must have been done. So you may just get the idea when you visit to some place how you need to explain that in the form of an essay. The road to Kaghan was in a bad shape. It was high in upper half of the high mountain slope and the river Kunhar looked like a ribbon far below. यानी रोड इतना ख़राब था कि एक साइड से माउंटेन वाली साइड से बिल्कुल स्लोप की फॉर्म में था और दूसरा बहुत ज़्यादा नज़दीक था रिवर के, लाइक अ रिबन फॉर बिलो, मतलब बहुत करीब. There were many dangerous turns. Our jeep crossed about 8 glaciers from Kaghan to Naran. Now they even counted the amount of glaciers. I mean the how much glaciers they have, how many glaciers they have crossed. Naran is 7890 feet above the sea level. It was still very still in the woods and around Naran. यानी बहुत खामोशी थी और सब कुछ ठहरा हुआ लग रहा था. There were logs in the river. There was a first flowing ice cold stream from Saiful Muluk. Logs mean जो कि एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है जो आपको स्पीड और नेविगेशन यानी रास्ते के बारे में बताता है. So there were logs in the river. एंड फास्ट फ्लोइंग आइस कोल्ड स्ट्रीम भी थी, यानी बहुत तेज़ी से बहती हुई ठंडे पानी की नदी फ्रॉम सैफुल मुलूक लेक टू द कुनहार एट नारान. द साइट वॉज ब्रेथ टेकिंगली ब्यूटिफुल, यानी बहुत खूबसूरत थी. ऑल अराउंड देयर वर समिट्स एंड स्लोप्स. समिट्स एंड स्लोप्स मीन्स पीक्स और ढलवाने. पीक मतलब जो कि बिल्कुल ऊंची चोटियाँ होती हैं. एंड द नॉइज़ ऑफ द रशिंग स्ट्रीम, और नदियों की बहने की आवाज़ें. द सैफुल मुलूक लेक इज़ 1053.7 feet above sea level and over 12 kilometers from Naran. Now this is the extra information that after it might be possible that after coming from the tour he has researched about it, or the persons who are moving up there, or the guides maybe they have provided this information to the visitor. So this essay is informative as well, other than seeing the beauty of it. There was a huge glacier on the way up from Naran. It was extremely enjoyable and unforgettable trip. We were thoroughly refreshed when we came back from Naran. Now, it's natural that you come from nature, it impacts on your personality as well. You cannot get out of it if you love nature so. So that is it for today, students. Hope you have understood. Tomorrow, inshallah, we'll do the next essay. Till then, Allah Hafiz.